Hey everybody, I'm in the downtown square in Jackson, Wyoming. You might hear Jackson Hole. Well, Jackson is the actual name of the town that we're in right now. You see the famous $1 Million Cowboy bar behind me, where every bar stool at the bar is a saddle. Very cool town, but it's home to the Grand Tetons, which are just north of here. And then, another 40 miles north of that is Yellowstone National Park. So there is so much here to photograph. It's embarrassing how much stuff there is to photograph. And if I only had one place I was allowed to take pictures in, it would be Grand Teton. It is the most amazing, grand place you're ever gonna see. We'll see all the iconic spots. We'll talk about how to compose your images the best that you can get. We're gonna have, I'm sure, different kinds of lighting. We'll have cloudy, we'll have sun, we'll have who knows what, but that makes it all an adventure. I don't care if you're using the top-of-the-line camera or your smartphone. Join me, let's go out and let's capture the world here in Grand Teton.